Now we talk about stub policy under the Setup tab. Stubbing basically is a procedure that will help you lighten up your Exchange server. It's very common these days to hear of Exchange servers reaching 500 gig, terabyte and more store size. So it has become an issue. The storage management has become an issue with the Exchange server since it's widely used than ever before. And we often hear about our management, for example, CEOs and CFOs' mailboxes getting humongous. So this policy, this feature, stubbing, will help you lighten up your Exchange server and put those emails on the archived server instead. So what stubbing is basically, you will leave the header information only on your Exchange server and move everything else, whether you talk about attachments, the body, subject, everything else is moved on to the archived server. So when someone tries to access an email from your Exchange server that has been stubbed, it's seamless to them because they will be getting that email from the archived server because they only have a pointer on the Exchange server. So it's seamless and doesn't affect any efficiency or speed when it comes to retrieving that email from an end user's perspective. So what this is you can add, you can enable, you can disable, delete, and change the priority of these policies. How do you add a stub policy? If I click on add, you can give your policy a name. For example, stub1. You can have a little description on the stub policy. You can choose the date or the period of stub policy. So what this is basically many companies will like, or they choose to stub emails that are older than 6 months or older than a year and more. So this is where you specify that period. You can add all your mailboxes in that policy, or if you only want to add your upper management C-level people in that policy, for example, you'll be able to select and add only certain mailboxes in that policy and save. So that's how easily you can create stub policies. So you can see we can actually help you reduce the size of your Exchange server by as much as 80% and even more. And that can also indirectly, if you think about it, help with your backup speeds as well, because Exchange is light now, so it will help you, speed up your backups as well.